Hey class, today we'll learn. Now, who knows about this? Yes.
The cell cycle is important for cell
Wow,
division,
I'm so
which
sleepy.
helps in growth, repairing
I'll just take a
tissues,
little
and
snooze.
reproduction.
Hope Mr. Egg doesn't see.
Hey, are you bored learning about the cell cycle already? That won't do. Let me show how fun it can be. The cell cycle is divided into 3 stages: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Interphase takes up most of the cell's life. Meanwhile, mitosis is where the actual division starts. Lastly, it ends with cytokinesis and then it repeats again. Stage 1. Interphase. The first step of interphase is the G1 step, where the cell is preparing itself for division. In this process, the cell grows slightly bigger, replicates its organelles, creating enzymes, has high metabolic activity, and centrosome division occurs. The next stage is synthesis, occurring in the nucleus. This is when DNA replication happens. The interphase ends with the G2 step. The centrosomes are replicated, and the DNA chromatids now have sister chromatids from synthesis. The cell has also now fully grown. Stage 2, mitosis, where the actual cell division starts. Why is it important? Well, first of all, mitosis is a type of cell division of somatic cells. But what's the difference? In mitosis, the cell splits from one cell into 2 daughter diploid cells, where each cell has 23 pairs of 46 chromosomes. However, in cell division of germ cells, sperm and ovum, called meiosis, the cell splits into 4 daughter haploid cells. Each cell has 23 chromosomes. Yay! Next, cell division is crucial for the cell to grow, develop, reproduce, and repair. Now that we know this, let's get started on mitosis. The first phase of mitosis is prophase. The chromosomes condense. Centrosomes move to opposite poles of the cell, and the nuclear membrane dissolves. Prophase is the longest phase of mitosis. Next is metaphase, the shortest phase of mitosis. The chromatids line up at the equator of the cell as spindle fibers from the centrosomes attached to its centromere. Following metaphase is anaphase, where the centromere splits as the chromatids are pulled apart from one another. Lastly, mitosis ends with telophase. The chromatids are pulled to opposite ends of the cell. The centrosomes disappear as they are not needed anymore, and the nuclear membrane reappears. Finally, the cell cycle ends with cytokinesis, which is a complete division of the cytoplasm. This process is different in both plants and animal cells. In animal cells, a cleavage furrow is formed to separate the cell into 2 daughter cells. And lastly, the chromosomes loosen to form chromatin. In plant cells, a cell plate forms due to the presence of a thick cell wall. It divides the cell, then forms a new cell wall as separation is complete. And that's the end of mitosis. See? I told you, it's a very fun process to learn about. Anyway, my time is up. See you later.
Hey you, can you hear me? You understand mitosis now?
Wake up,
Huh.
since you've been so attentive. Can you explain mitosis?
A mitosis is a type of somatic cell division with 4 phases. Prophase is when the chromosomes condense into sister chromatids and takes the longest. Metaphase is when the chromatids line up in the middle and is the shortest. Anaphase is when the chromatids are separated. Telophase is when the chromatids are pulled to opposite poles.
Wow, okay. Don't fall asleep next time. Anyways, let's continue class.